Alright, today let's talk about French articles, and I don't mean the ones in your local newspaper either.
Make sure to stick around till the end, where we're going to practice putting some articles into sentences, which will also build a more robust vocabulary for you. So let's get started.
There are three different types of articles in the French language: definite, indefinite, and partitive, and each of them assigns a gender. Very important for later on with nouns and vocabulary. First off, definite articles. They identify a specific item or a group of items. It's the same as the in the English language. There are four definite articles: le, la, les, and l'apostrophe. And now we'll see when we use each one of those. Le is masculine singular, la is feminine singular, les is plural regardless of the gender, and l'apostrophe is used when the noun starts with a vowel or with a silent H. So here are some examples: le fils, le jour, la femme, la nuit, les gens, les chats, l'homme, et l'ordre. Alright, moving on to indefinite articles. They identify an unspecific item or one or some of an item. It's the same as a, an, or some in some cases. There are three indefinite articles. They're un, une, and des.
So un is masculine, une is feminine, des is plural, regardless of the gender. So here are some examples of them: un croissant, un vélo, une fourchette, une voiture, des fraises, et des chiens. Alright, now we've got partitive articles. This is the last group. They identify a portion of an unknown quantity. This is definitely only used in a some kind of sense. So these four partitive articles are du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and des. In French, they don't like the consecutive de le, so they combined it to be a du, so it's more fluid. So some examples are du sucre, du sel, de la bière, de la pizza, de l'ordre, de l'hôtel, des fraises, et des framboises. Alright, why don't you try to practice with these sentences here by applying the correct article based on the parentheses, which include the gender, the plurality, and an example of the definitive, indefinite, or partitive nature of them. Alright, check out your answers here, see how you did, and in the right-hand column, you'll see a translation of the sentence that you applied the articles in. Alright, while you check out the vocabulary on the side of the screen here, don't forget to check out the other videos on the right here. And then if you enjoy the content and want to see more, click subscribe.